Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading Adventure Begins at Your Library for June 25th, 2024, Part 1. The Path by Bob Staake. You will walk along a well-worn path that many others have taken before you. Often the path will be easy, flat, and simple. It may take you over gentle grassy hills shaded by towering trees that sway in the breeze. The path might weave through valleys of wildflowers bathed in the warm sunlight. But sometimes it will become bumpy and difficult. It may even be blocked by obstacles that you will need to overcome. It may meander through dark, scary forests shadowed in mystery and easy to become lost in. The path will zig and zag up steep and challenging hills that appear impossible to climb. Then over violent, raging rivers, both terrifying and dangerous. When the path becomes muddy alongside a pond or through a soggy swamp, walking may be hard and your journey may be slow. And when it leads into a sunless, chilly cave, it may seem as if the path will simply end. It won't. The path will surprise you as it splits into two different directions. How will you know which way to go? You will know. You will know because those two choices are not the only possibilities. You will know because, like all the others who have walked the path before you, you too will create your own path. The end. We're going to make a magnetic path, and what you'll need is markers or crayons or coloring pencils. I have a glue stick just in case. We have magnets that have sticky on them. If they don't stick well enough, we can glue them on. And your Craft-to-Go kit, which includes a paper plate, a craft stick, 2 magnets, and a little person template. The little person. And all we're going to do is we're going to draw a path on our plate and make the scene around it. And you can draw a face or body on your little person. And then we're going to attach the magnets to the stick and to the back of the person. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my path. I'm going to start it here, take it up here, wind it down here. You can do your path any way you want. Then I'm gonna do some drawings around it. I think I'll put a pond in the middle. I'm gonna probably put some trees on here and some grass, but I'm going to go ahead and pause it while I do my drawings, and then we'll come back and do the rest. Okay, so there's my path. I have a pond with a stream, got some trees, got a little patch of flowers, there's the pond and the stream, some rocks there, and the path. So then I also colored my little person. So there's that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to affix the magnets. So hopefully these will stick without the glue. I'm just going to peel the back off of the first magnet, and I probably shouldn't have cut my nails last night, and attach it to the edge of the craft stick. That seems to be holding. And then this one we're going to attach to the back of our little guy or girl. Put it right in the middle. Press it down. It should be fine. And there's my guy. Now to make this work, oh, see, it didn't stick. Darn. Okay, well, we're going to have to use the glue stick. Okay, too much glue. Not a problem, there's always a paper towel. Put some glue on the back of this one. Attach it to the person. Okay. Now to make this work, what we do is we put the person on the path and we put the stick underneath and find the magnet, and then we can walk the person along the path very slowly. Not working so well. Let's see here. There he goes. He's going down by the pond. He goes over there. Now these magnets are pretty weak. If you had stronger magnets, it would work much better. And he's walking this way. And he's gonna go over here. He doesn't like to walk on the outsides of those plate, I guess. There he goes. Going to the end of the path. And that's it. That's how you make a magnetic path.